Okay viewers, take a look at this video. It looks absolutely incredible. The best part is that I created this amazing cartoon-style animation with just one click. So without wasting any more time, let's jump straight into today's tutorial. First of all, head over to YouTube, because I want to show you a channel called Mama Tones. This channel has around 80,000 subscribers, and it's performing incredibly well. According to available estimates, it's generating around 8.7K per month. If we look at its most popular videos, one has reached 15 million views, while several others have crossed 11 million, 6.1 million, and 2.7 million views. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create the same type of animated story videos using Geelark AI. Make sure you stay until the end, because I'll explain every feature step by step and show you the final results. Now just look at these videos. Every scene is colorful, highly engaging, and professionally animated. That's exactly what we're going to create today. Now let's move to today's main platform, Geelark AI, where we'll not only create 3D animated stories, but also explore many other powerful features. Once you open the Geelark website, you'll immediately notice that it's much more than just an AI tool. It's an all-in-one platform that combines AI creation, cloud phones, browser profiles, proxy management, automation, and social media marketing. The first thing I'm going to do is download the Windows version. Simply click Download for Windows, wait for the installation to finish, and then launch the application. As you can see, the software has opened successfully. Now let me give you a quick overview. On the left side, you'll find profiles, proxies, and the powerful AIGC models, where you can access image generation, image to video, text to video, and several AI editing tools. Geelark also includes its own built-in AI assistant powered by DeepSeek, allowing you to ask questions, generate ideas, or get quick answers directly inside the platform. You'll also find analytics, applications, automation marketplace, and the Synchronizer, making Geelark a complete solution for AI creators and digital marketers. Now let's create our first cloud phone profile. Before creating a profile, we first need to add a proxy. I'll open the proxy section and click Add Proxy. Here you'll notice that Geelark supports HTTP, HTTPS, and SOCKS 5 proxies. Since I already have a proxy ready, I'll simply paste it here and click Check Proxy. As you can see, the proxy has been verified successfully. Now I'll click OK and return to the Profile section. Next, I'll click Add Profile, enter any profile name, choose the proxy we just added, select the Android 15 cloud phone model, and finally click Create. Within a few seconds, our cloud phone profile is ready. Now I'll click Start to launch it. After waiting for a few moments, look at this result. Our complete cloud phone is now running successfully. This is a fully functional Android cloud phone, where you can perform almost everything you normally do on a physical smartphone. You can rotate the screen, upload files, export data, use the camera, install apps from the Play Store, and even manage multiple social media accounts, all from one place. Now let me show you one of my favorite features. Click the three-dot menu, and you'll find the clone option. With just one click, you can duplicate your existing cloud phone profile. I'll create 2 additional copies. Now, I'll start all 3 cloud phones at the same time. After waiting just a few seconds, look at this. Now all 3 cloud phones are running simultaneously. For example, you can manage Facebook on one device, TikTok on another, and Instagram on the third. This makes multi-account management incredibly easy, fast, and efficient. So now you can clearly see how powerful Geelark is when it comes to cloud phone management. Now let's move on to another amazing feature, the ICE models. Inside this section, you'll find multiple AI tools. I'll first choose image generation. I already have my prompts prepared. I'll paste 3 or 4 prompts one by one and select the GPT Image model. As you can see, all of the images have started generating simultaneously. Now we'll wait a little while for the generation process to complete. After a short wait, look at these results. All of my images are ready. You can see how detailed, colorful, and visually impressive they look. These images are perfect for creating animated storytelling videos. Now let's convert these images into videos. I'll switch to the Image to Video tool. First, I'll upload one of my generated images. Then I'll enter my animation prompt. For the best quality, I'll choose the latest Seedance 2. Zero model, select the appropriate aspect ratio, and click Submit. Immediately, the video generation process begins. I'll generate 2 or 3 videos together and then show you the final output. After waiting for a few moments, look at this final result.
Let go of me! You're gonna ruin everything!
We need to go, go, go! They're gaining on us!
All of my animated videos are now ready. The animation quality looks incredibly smooth, cinematic, and professional. Whether you're using image generation, image to video, or text to video, Geelark AI delivers excellent results with very little effort. Now let's move on to another useful feature. Here you'll find Geelark AI, powered by DeepSeek. This built-in AI assistant allows you to ask questions, generate ideas, write content, solve problems, or get help with different tasks, all without leaving the platform. Next, we have the Analytics section. Here you can connect your social media accounts and monitor their performance. It's especially useful for managing multiple accounts while keeping everything organized in one dashboard. Moving forward, we have the Applications section. Here you'll find a large collection of applications that can be installed directly inside your cloud phone environment. Now let's explore one of the most powerful features, the Marketplace. This is where Geelark really stands out. The Marketplace offers ready-made automation workflows for platforms like YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. For example, if you want to publish a YouTube short, Geelark guides you through the complete workflow from selecting a cloud phone and uploading your creative assets to adding captions, scheduling uploads, and automating the publishing process. The same workflow is available for TikTok and Instagram, making content marketing much faster and more efficient. Finally, let's look at the Synchronizer feature. This feature allows you to link multiple cloud phone profiles together and synchronize their actions. Instead of repeating the same task on every device manually, you only need to perform it once, and Geelark will mirror the action across all connected cloud phones, saving you a significant amount of time. Okay, viewers, now let's talk about Geelark's pricing. When it comes to pricing, Geelark AI is one of the most affordable and budget-friendly platforms available. It offers excellent value for money, especially considering the number of powerful features included in a single subscription. As you can see on the pricing page, there are multiple subscription options available. Whether you want a plan for 90 days, 180 days, or 360 days, you can simply choose the one that best fits your needs and budget. With a single subscription, you'll get access to cloud phones, proxy management, IC models, Geelark AI, applications, automation marketplace, Synchronizer, and many other useful tools all in one platform. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye, everyone.